Our customer structures are unique in every way. No two are the same. We pride ourselves in being able to meet our customers' every need.
Everyone here takes pride in what they do. Every time we see a Cleveland Price switch somewhere out in the field, we can say, I had a part in that. When we have a customer tour in our plant and they have a positive response, that gives us great pride as well.
Everyone here understands that each and every process is important, and it's our goal to manufacture 100% quality parts, which in turn helps us produce high-quality final products for our customers.
At Cleveland Price, our culture is teamwork. Working together through teamwork helps us maximize our productivity and the quality of our products.
Most companies put profit first, but Cleveland Price always puts employees first, and our management truly cares about their employees. It's a family culture and everyone matters.
Here at Cleveland Price, our employees are our biggest asset, so we do everything we can to keep them safe. We are one of less than 1,600 work sites to be recognized as SHARP, the most prestigious award given by OSHA. Here at Cleveland Price, safety is no accident.